With Thanksgiving so fastly approaching, I wanted to do a craft around Thanksgiving. You know, around Thanksgiving, a lot of times we hear about Native Americans, and I really like to think about Native Americans and Native American history because my great-grandmother was Native American. So today, I want to take an ice cream cone and make it into a teepee that we can eat. So what you'll need for this edible craft, this creation that we're creating, is an ice cream cone. You'll need some pretzel sticks, some icing of any color you would like, or you can have many color icings if you'd like to make your teepee very fancy and add different colors to the teepee as dressing for your teepee. You can use all kinds of colors. Today we're just going to use one color. Also, you need some candy pumpkins, and this is a special kind of sugar glitter. So this isn't like craft glitter. This is the kind of glitter that you get in the bakery aisle. So this is sugar glitter, and you want to get an adult to help you find it, so you make sure you have the right thing, because everything here is edible. We'll be able to eat this when we're done. All right, you'll also need a good clean pair of kitchen scissors, okay? This is something that you want an adult to help you with. Children should never use scissors by themselves, especially kitchen scissors, because kitchen scissors are very sharp. So what we need for this teepee is to cut the end off of our ice cream cone. So this is what you would get an adult to help you with. The child's job is to watch. The adult's job is to cut the end off. There we go. And we did. I'll lay these to the side. Okay, we're done with this, so I'll put that to the side. We can eat that end later. Next, you want some icing. And we're going to stuff some icing right down into the end of our ice cream cone. And the reason we want to do that is this icing is going to act like glue. And I'll explain that more in a moment. Now, let's see. I think this would make a nice front for our teepee. So our teepee needs a door. It needs a way to get inside. So we will use some icing to make a door for our teepee. I will attempt. I'm not the best cake icer in the world, but I'll attempt to make sort of a triangle for the door. There we go. All right. So next, we need some pretzel sticks, and we will put the pretzel sticks down into the top of our teepee. Remember, I said this icing in the top would act like a glue. So this would be the post that hold the teepee together. These pretzel sticks. There we go. What do you think? Now, something else you could do, you could take one of these pretzel sticks, put a little icing on the end of it, and use it as a paintbrush to put some designs on your teepee. You could do that all the way around. If you had other color icing, you could do all different types of designs. I'm just going to do dots. Put some dots around the top of our teepee. Okay. And then we'll take our candy pumpkins and we'll set one on either side of the entrance to the teepee. Now, some places in the world, when they celebrate Thanksgiving, it's getting cold. The weather's turning cooler. And I thought, just to sort of add the finishing touches to our decoration that's edible, we would take our glitter sugar and sprinkle all around our teepee and our pumpkins. Maybe put some on the teepee, so it look like maybe frost. So maybe this is early morning and there has been a little frost on the pumpkin, frost on the teepee too. Just to sort of add the finishing touch. This could be table decoration. You could help your special adult making table decoration for Thanksgiving. And it's something that's quick and easy that you could do while your adult is doing more of the cooking. But again, when it comes time to use these, make sure the adult helps you or the adult does it. Children never use kitchen scissors or any other kind of scissors without an adult present. All right? And we have a teepee. We created ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and click the alerts for future videos. Join me at chuckhartman.com.